How to connect Hayday with Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll demonstrate how to connect Hayday with Facebook. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to connect the Hayday with Facebook. Connecting with Facebook, you can enable you to invite your Facebook friends to play Hayday and see what your Facebook friends are doing in Hayday and save your progress in Hayday to Facebook. So let's get started. Before we begin, ensure that the Hayday application is updated to the latest version available. You can do this in your Play Store or your App Store. Then start by opening the Hayday app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Hayday account. But unfortunately, Hayday does not currently allow connecting with Facebook. According to the Hayday Facebook page, the Facebook login expired in 2021 due to technical reasons and they stopped supporting the feature. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.